this question, this concern is something that's very close to me and something that I can relate to a lot. Hence, I'm making it as a video that I can post as a reel rather than a story. Before giving my advice, and I think I'll share a brief story about myself. Today, the Kasha that everyone sees is someone who has a lot of projects going on, someone who has a good GPA, someone who's doing master, someone has apparently a good future. But this was not always the case. I was the person who got almost like 3 warnings in her bachelor's, and I graduated in my bachelor's with the GPA of as low as 2.6, and that was my graduating GPA. And I got this GPA even after doing a summer course, and even getting a good grade in summer course, I wasn't able to elevate my GPA. But anyhow, I graduated, and for 2 years I was jobless. I had no masters. I would do a job and I would leave it after a month, and that 2 years were so difficult that I was already dealing with the clinical depression and I wasn't able to work properly then. And I had the similar thoughts at that time, that I'm a failure, I can't do anything, and whatever I did, it's all failure. Because in my bachelor, I was the one who had the different publications. That was good for a bachelor student, and, and then I had done internships and I had good work experience, but all of the shift came and I hit the rock bottom. But eventually, there was one thing that kept on moving, was that I didn't give up. I continued to work hard. I continued to apply, because even the fact I had 2.6 GPA, and it was clear that with 2.6 GPA I wouldn't get admission anywhere. I remember one of my esteemed professors telling me that below 3.5 you can't get admission in a good abroad university, and below 3 you can't even get admission in Pakistan. And his words were true, but I had to make a way out, and anyhow I managed to get into one of the best universities in Pakistan for my masters. And the moment I got into my masters, I started to get success in abundance. I started to have publication. I did a UN course. I did get a GPA of 3.5. I had different opiates published. I'm being called as a speaker and everything like that. So telling all the story is that, so there are two things. One thing is that every human is meant to rise, but before rising they are broken down into ashes. Thing is that there will come a time in your life that will not make sense to you, and you will be completely broken, and you would feel like a failure. That what you have been feeling, and a lot of other people are. You will feel like a failure. You would feel like not doing anything, feel like giving up everything. But that time is meant to be there for a certain period, because that time is breaking you. Because once you are broken, it's the time of your rebirth. Once you will have your rebirth, your reincarnation as a new evolved person, as a person who had reached a certain level of growth, a certain level of maturity, certain level of resilience. That will be a time you have now risen as a phoenix. Now you will be getting those blessings, those success in abundance, because it's because you are patient, and God rewards your patience. However, that patience is conditional. That it should not be passive. You should be patient, you should trust God, but before trusting God, you have to tie your own camel, meaning that before trusting God, you have to do your homework. Just times are bad, nothing is working out, but you have to keep on showing God that I am working hard, I am trying to make a way out, and just you will bless me according to your divine will. Meaning that even in this time of uncertainty, you have to keep on doing something. If you don't have a master's, just try applying everywhere. Try applying even in the country you are from. If I'm assuming you are from Pakistan, just apply. And while doing that, you are doing freelancing, keep on doing that work in a much better way, improve those skills, and Another thing you can do is apply for different conferences, start from networking, because always remember network is a net worth. And keep on building your portfolio. All in all, just keep on doing something, just don't give up, and keep on working towards anything. Even small contribution in this phase will be added to your into the register of your good deeds, and God will eventually bless you once this phase is ended.